So yan, for today's video, may bago na naman po tayong auto light show. Yan, 350 watts yung lamp power niya, then yung bulb niya 10 watts per bulb. So ayan, so with door case na po yan, 4-in-1. So pwede nyo po yan ma-fill with home credit. So yung kailangan lang po natin, one valid ID, tsaka punta lang po kayo shop for processing. And then available din po dyan yung credit card natin. So dito lang po yan sa Power Sounds Electronics, located at Unit 2A, 685 Rubili Street, Barangay 307, Quezon, Manila po tayo. So yan mga ka-sounds, maraming salamat po.